Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, let's begin. And then now today I want to present about online games because this is my hobby to play online games. And then I will present Now I want to present about history about online game, and then the effect when we play online game. First, the history. LAN and WAN are pioneer of internet. Before internet exists in our world, LAN and WAN is lead us to create the internet. And then before internet, the people usually use Ethernet. Ethernet allow us to play online games. And then in 1969, LAN and WAN launched an online game in internet exists. And then in 1983, internet developed and launched online game. The first online game is Air Combat, and Tank Combat are the first game online. This is Air Combat, and then this is Tank Combat. This is the first game. This is the first online game when what the people play. Now I want to tell about type of online game. First, about game is I want to tell about type of game and the most popular game online in Indonesia. First is MMORPG, basically multiplayer online role-playing game. So, in this game, the player assumes the role of character and take control over many of the character action. And then in RPG games, usually we more aim to collaborate than to compete, so that we socialize with another player. We just to finish the story, and then we collaborate with another player. And then we create our story and finish our story together. For example, for the MMORPG is Final Fantasy. This is the example of MMORPG. Second is MMORPA, basically multiplayer online first-person shooter game. So in this game we play first-person perspective. So we feel like we play the game. We play the game in our perspective, and then so it's like we are in that game, and then like we play the battle of that game. So the game involve many people. The game involve many people and mostly have war setting and army weapon. So this game usually use war setting and then army weapons. And then example for this game is Point Blank. Maybe some of you familiar with this game. Okay, and then the third is MMORPG, basically multiplayer online real-time strategy games. Investment is strategy, so you have to know that this game is about play strategy. This type of game emphasizing the greatness strategy of the players. So the characteristic of this game is the player have to manage and have a good strategies to win the game. As like the name, it's about strategy. So example for this game is Age of Empires. So we have to create our town, and when our town is destroyed by another town, we have to build our town, and then to defeat our enemy. So the last is MMORPG, basically multiplayer online simple game. It is about a simple game that we play in our browser, like Mozilla, Opera Mini, or Internet Explorer. It is a very simple online game. Maybe some of you know about Pac-Man. Pac-Man is one of the MMORPG, like this. This is an example of the MMORPG. And then I want to tell about the most popular game online in Indonesia. The first is Ayodance. Some of you play this game. And then Warcraft Dota, or called Dota, Rising Force, Perfect World, Counter-Strike, Ragnarok, Aion, Gundam. Yeah, that's some of the most popular games in Indonesia. So I have read the article about the online game in Indonesia. So the online game in Indonesia, it's very increasing. It's not about young people, but the old people play the online game either. So, and then the effect of when we play online game. First, positive effect and negative effect. And I want to tell about positive effect. First is allowing the player to socialize without time and space limit. We can connect it with another player in Malaysia maybe, or in America. Like me, I have friends in Thailand when I play online game, and then I have friends from Sumatra either. So there is no space and time limit when we play online game. And then can train a person respond by playing strategy game. In a strategy game, we have to require the player to strategize in a short time so that the right game can train a person respond and speed of thought. So yeah, we have fast response and speed response and speed of thought when we play strategy game. And then for business opportunities, as you know that in our country called Warnet, or maybe a provider of internet, it's very increasing. So I think the positive effect of online game is increasing the opportunities of business. And then negative effect, it's reduce the physical socialization. We are like individual persons, so we don't like to go around. We just want to stay and play. So I think it reduce the physical socialization. And then eyes imaging. As we know that computer or laptop it has like a spectrum of light that can damage the eyes if you stare continuously without break. So I think it will damage our eyes. And then require fee to play online. Of course, when we play online, we have to pay the fee of Warnet, or pay the fee for modem plan, something like that. And then can disrupt management of time. We will forget our activities like school, like to eat, like to bed maybe. So we just like to stay and play online game